Welcome to Rural Community Informatics, Tools for Addressing the Rural Digital Divide. Rural communities have consistently lagged behind urban areas when it comes to broadband internet access, as shown in the figure below. As a result, people in rural areas have limited access to education, jobs, healthcare, and even information and knowledge. This is known as the rural digital divide. This in turn exacerbates the brain drain, where people of working age have to move to the city to find better educational opportunities and jobs. This is causing overpopulation in cities, which contributes to crime, pollution, and traffic issues, among other things. Rural community informatics involves using data and information and communication technology to help level the playing field and enhance the quality of life in rural areas. In this course, you will learn about community anchor institutions and broadband internet access, various data sets available through census.gov, and social network analysis for helping to identify partners to address the rural digital divide and stop the brain drain. To learn more about rural community informatics, subscribe to my YouTube channel.